everyone, welcome to Block 5, and we're going to start our block with a review of all the sounds we've studied in the past 4 blocks. So let's start. We'll do these together. You ready? A, I, A, D, G, J, Z, M, S, T, P, F, L, W, H, S, L. Very good. Now let's read some word family words. Bed, fed, led. These are at words. Let, pet, met, bet, set. Good reading. Now we have some L word families. Sell, bell, del, well. Very good. Now we have ill word families. Will, till, hill, mill. Good reading. Now we have ing word families. Wing, sing, zing, bing. Very good. Now we have some more. Est, best, test, nest, rest. You hear how you hear that ending? So make sure you're saying rest with that t at the end, because some people want to leave out that ending, but you want to get the whole ending in there. Very good. Let's try ag, rag, bag, tag, wag, lag. Very good. Ick word family. Kick, nick, knack. This is an ack word family. Similar, different vowel. N-ack, knack. Now we have n-ab, nab, tab, lab. Very good. L-ip. We need our I. Okay. L-ip, lip, lit, sit, and fit. Very good. Good reading. Now let's start on our new sounds we're going to learn in this lesson. So this is a picture of a queen. Queen. And you hear that beginning sound? Queen. And that beginning sound is the letter Q. Qu. Qu. Now the U sound, when you see the Qu, usually you always see this after it. Qu. Qu. So it's kind of like 2 sounds that the Q will make these 2 sounds. Qu. Because if we write queen, here it's queen. And that's queen, queen. Very good. But let's practice our qu sound, and we're only going to practice the letter Q. Qu. 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 And some people make that a little pointy. They go like that, but this is how we'll do it. Qu, 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 qu. Very good. Qu for queen. Now our next sound is the first sound you hear in umbrella. Umbrella. You hear that sound? And this is how we draw that sound. Like you hear an umbrella. Let's practice drawing that. Very good. This is like an umbrella. Good job. Our next sound is the first sound you hear in van. Here's 2 pictures of vans. V, v. You hear that v sound? And this is how we draw that v. V for van. V. Let's practice that. V, 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 V. Very good. So V, like in van. Good job. Our next sound is the ending. Now we usually do the beginning, but for this next letter, we're going to do the ending sound because you don't really hear it too often in the beginning. So listen to the word X. Hear that ending sound? X. So this is how you draw that X sound. The letter X. X, like an X. Now this is how we write X. And we want this sound, X. X. This is an X. Let's practice that X sound. X. 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 Very good. X. So that's that sound. We write it that way. Okay? Our next sound is Y, like you hear in yo-yo or yellow. So this is a yellow yo-yo. And we want that first sound, Y. And this is how you draw that Y sound. Y, like in yellow yo-yo. Let's practice that. Y. 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 Very good. That's our Y sound in yo-yo. Very good. Now let's practice some words we're going to read in word families with these new sounds. So we have the We're going to do different endings. You ready? Let's practice. Up, up. And we're going to make some words over here with these sounds. At, ug, ud, ud. Okay, so for up, let's see, can you read this? V, up, vup. How about this one? G, up, gup. How about M, up, mup. And let's do one more. Top. Very good. Good reading. Now let's go to our ut word family and try a few. How about this? V, ut, vut. How about this one? D, ut, dut. Good job. How about this one? B, ut, but. And let's try this one. G, ut, gut. And we'll do one more. How about this one? Hut. Very good. Good reading. Let's go to our word family. How about this one? Yum. Good. How about this? Gum. How about this one? Zum. And this one? Lum. We'll do one more. How about that one? Hum. Good reading. Let's go to our ug word family. And we'll do our first one. How about this? Can you read that? Dug. Very good. How about this one? Bug. Very good. And how about this one? Some of you have this kind of dog. Pug. Good reading. And how about this? Mug. do one more. This is a good word. Hug, hug, hug. Everyone likes a hug. Okay, odd, our next word family, odd. Let's try this. V-odd, vod. How about this one? D-odd, dud. How about this word? B-odd, bud. And this one? M-odd, mud. And let's do one more pretend word. This one. W-odd, wad. Very good. Good reading. Now let's go to our ack word family. Ack, and make some words. How about this word? Can you read that? B-ack, back. Good. How about this pretend word? D-ack, dack. And let's do this word, the real word. Pack. Very good. And how about one more? This one. I like this word. Sack, sack, sack. Like a bag. Okay, let's go to our ick word family. Ick. And we have this word. Sick, sick. How about this one? We just learned this. Do you remember this sound? Qu, qu, ick, quick. See how that U, the letter U always follows that Q. Quick, qu, ick, quick. Very good. And how about this one? N, ick, nick. And let's do one more. L, ick, lick. That pug is always licking you. Lick. Okay, let's try our uck word family. And let's try yuck, yuck. Very good. How about this one? Buck, buck. Good. How about this one? Duck, duck. Very good. Let's try one more. This is for hockey fans. Puck, puck. Very good. Now let's try our qu sound. Let's practice some words with qu. So how about our first one? How would you read that? Qu, ill, quill, quill. How about this one? Qu, it, quit. How about this one? Qu, ip, quip. Very good. Let's do one more. Can you do this one? This is a long one. Quack, quack. Very good. Good reading. Okay, great reading. Now let's go to some end sounds with our x. X. You ready? Axe. Axe. That was that picture I showed you for our sound. Axe. How about this one? M-axe. So here's our axe. Max. Here's our axe. Tax. Lax. Very good. Let's try our V sound. Av. Iv. Av. Of. Ev. Very good. Good reading. Nev. Nov. V-ick. Vic. V-ack. Vac. V-at. Vat. Van. Vam. Vap. V-ack. Vac. Vab. Vab. Vink. Vil. good. Good reading. Now let's do our two double sounds. F, 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 Z, Z, Z. Just like the single sound. V. Sorry. F. So let's try this. M, if, miff. T, if, tiff. Biff. Bath. Taff. Naff. L-aff. Laugh. S-aff. Saff. D-if. Diff. Very good. Good reading. Now let's try our Z. Buzz. Buzz. Nuzz. Daz. His. Muzz. Viz. Waz. Very good. Good reading. Let's try our Y. Y-av. Yev. Y-ick. Yick. Y-at. Yat. Y-ab. Yab. Y-in. Yin. Y-ill. Yill. Y-an. Yan. Y-ap. Yap. Very good. Let's read these one more time together. Yev. Yick. Yat. Yab. Yin. Yill. Yan. Yap. Very good. Good reading.